morning or evening or afternoon, whenever you guys are watching this. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I'm so glad you joined me. Today, I have my December glossy box, even though it's January 1. I actually get this through work for free because we have a program called Fringe Benefits, and if you hit your quota once a quarter, you get 6 months of points that you can redeem for different things, and I chose to redeem it on glossybox. Now I get 6 months of glossybox. I've already gotten 3, so I only get 3 more, but I am enjoying it. I don't know if I'll renew it or not because I'm just cutting back on boxes, but this is $21 a month, so let's get the deets out of the way. I do have a referral code. Everybody gets a referral code. I will link that below. I think you might get something. I think you get points or something too if you use my referral code towards free product. So this is December's box. These boxes are gorge. Oh my goodness. And I have 2 other ones. They're great for gift giving too. So when you open it, look at the inside's all beautified. I've already opened this and looked in it. When it came, so it was sealed shut, and it had a gold like ribbon around it. So let's get into the part that was poking out. And I love Luxy brushes, and that's the first thing that is in here is a Luxy brush. This one is a eye shading brush. I can't get enough brushes. You guys know that I do eye makeup. I'm wearing like a pink and smoky gray kind of look today, but I am always in need of brushes, and I don't wash them like I need to, so kind of always need more. And I love getting these through. I've never had to really go out and, not that I know of, I've really never had to go out and buy like a lot of brushes because we get so many in these boxes. So this is fabulous. Then I got this. I was looking to see if there was like a little card. I don't know if it normally comes with a card, but mine did not. This says Nail Medic Rejuvenator Nail and Cuticle Energizer. So I think this is just a cuticle oil, and it's really cool looking with the purple and pink ombre. I don't know how they're doing that, but basically you're just going to take this and put it on your cuticles, and it's probably good if you have dry cuticles in the winter or whatever. It smells like berries or something, so I will use that because I actually get hangnails all winter long. That's a problem I've always had with my nails, so I will definitely be using that. I wish I could tell you the value of everything in here, but like I said, if I got a card, or if you're supposed to get a card, I didn't get one. So the next thing is Golden Gatsby 3D Faux Mink Lashes. I may put lashes on today. We'll see. Those are beautiful. I like the real wispy ones. I have naturally long or fairly long eyelashes anyway. It says, darling, it wouldn't be a party without you. So I don't think there's any glue in here. I think this is just the lashes, but there they are. The company is Lash Splash. Lash Splash? Yeah. LA Splash. We've actually gotten some lip stuff from them before. I like their products too. Then we got something by Steve Laurent. What is this? Lip gloss. Oh, I think this was like a really pretty red, if I remember correctly. Yeah, okay, so what does it say the color? Cherry lip gloss. So here it is. It comes in this cute little container. This is adorbs. And there we go. So this is definitely a lip gloss with color. Matches my back hair. I switched up and put the red back here today. We're going to get in close to getting ready to take this tree down and stuff. So there we are. So that's a lot of fun. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I'm keeping it. I actually put some makeup on Poshmark today. I'll put my Poshmark closet down. That got scooped up within less than 5 minutes. Oh, here's the ribbon that everything was tied in. The other one is by Real Her. I really like the Real Her product. We've gotten this before in BoxyCharm, and I really enjoy it. And this is blush, bronzer, and a highlight and a mirror. I'm going to turn it this way so you can see. Real Her is a real woman empowerment brand. This is something I will definitely use. Let's go ahead and swatch. The blush is Blessed, and it's a beautiful kind of nudie peachy coral. Oh, I'll show you after I do them all. The Goddess is the highlight, and Incredible is the bronzer. So let's do the bronzer next. Nice. All right, and then let's do Ooh, this feels fantastic. It's really creamy, the highlighter. All right, so let me show you the 3 swatches there. That's awesome. This is a great little palette. I like this. So, and it's kind of got like a marble background. The names are always like, hey, you're incredible, you're a goddess, you're blessed. Like that, they always are like empowering you and making women feel better. It's called the Ultimate Glow Getter by Real Her. This is such a cool product. So happy to have that. And that's it, guys. So in this month's box, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 items. I'm happy to have every single one of them. I have enjoyed it for $21. I think that that's a decent amount. This alone is probably worth $21. I do wish they had a card. I do wish they would tell us the value of things. I think you might be able to go online and get that information. I'm not sure. But again, there it is. All our goodies, and that is our Glossy box. I am going to go ahead, since it is Vlogmas is over, I missed the last couple of days, I'm going to go ahead and finish opening my ornaments from Tiffany as well, because we are getting ready to take the tree down and I'd like to have them up for a few days. So hang tight and I'll be right back. Okay, we have 3 more ornaments. So here is the first one. Every time I say Tiffany's name, I think of Breakfast with Tiffany. Every single time. Aw, she gave me a piece of her. She loves cardinals. And the cardinal is actually the Virginia state bird. Let me take this out. Just so there was, hold on. All right, so here it is. This is stunning. It's a beautiful hand-blown glass ornament, and it's hand-painted. And it's got this beautiful like raised textured surface with glitter. This is a gorgeous ornament, and my tree is red and white, kind of more traditional colors, and sometimes silver and gold. So this is beautiful, Tiffany. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I don't know where she found all these ornaments. She did so good with finding ornaments. I had a super hard time this year with finding ornaments. I struggled. The places around me just didn't have good ornaments. So now, if I would have had time to go down to Williamsburg, we have the Christmas tree store, and I would have been able to find some. So here is the next one. Nitro is standing here. Well, you can't see him, but he's standing here staring at me. He wants a paper. Oh my gosh, how'd she find this? Look at that. She found my state with my name on it and spelled the right way. Oh, that is so cool, because Terry's always spelled different ways. It's not super hard to find my name spelled right. It's spelled so many different ways. That's really, really, really cool. Oh, that's awesome, Tiff. Thanks so much. Oh, I love that. I'll put that right on the tree. And then there is one final ornament, and this will be the end of the ornaments with Tiffany. This was fun, though. This was a lot of fun to do. Ornaments are something that, you want to have beautiful ornaments, but you don't always have the money during the holidays to buy them for you. So it was fun to do this ornament exchange with both her and Favor. So thank you, both of you. You guys are great friends, and I appreciate both of you more than you'll know. Oh, beautiful. We have a reindeer. How pretty. So very pretty. All right, so I'm gonna go stick those on my Christmas tree, guys. Thank you, Tiffany. I appreciate them so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video in the new year. And this will probably be the first video of the new year. I do have a Natalie Attired coming next, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye.